Alright, in this video I'm going to show you very quickly how to use the Fonts for Web WordPress plugin. It very easily lets you change the fonts and styles and the size of the text on your blog posts, which is especially important now for your mobile visitors. A mobile responsive design, which you should have, basically just ensures that the layout looks right on the screen of a mobile device, right? It doesn't always ensure that the text is large enough to actually read it. Okay, so this plugin makes it very easy for a WordPress site to change the size of the text. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to go and get the plugin. Alright, so from your dashboard, you come over here to Plugins, Add New. You're going to search plugins, just type in the word font, hit enter. It's the very first one here that shows up. I already have it installed, but you would install it, activate it, and then you would go to a post to start a new post. I have a post started already that I'm going to use as an example. Okay, let me make this a little bit bigger so that you guys can see it. Alright, I have a post started here already. I'm going to show you just how easy it is and what exactly it is that this plugin does. Okay, so I have a post started. Now what I want to do is I want to make the text bigger anyway, so that when a mobile customer comes or a visitor comes to my site, they don't have to do things like, double tap the screen and pinch it and drag it and try and make the screen bigger so that they can read it. I visit a lot of blogs, and if I come across a blog like that I can't read easily, I leave it. Okay, so this is a very easy way to make it so that your visitors on a mobile device can very easily read your text without having to go through extra steps. Okay, so I've written a post, alright, and now I want to make it bigger. Okay, so all you have to do is highlight all the text, alright, up to your, well, we can even do this because it won't change it. This is the title. Come up here to the top, okay, click on the Fonts for Web button. It's going to load this bar up here. You can choose a font size, font color. Alright, if you go choose a font, they give you there's over 1,000 different fonts in here, and they're grouped by category. Okay, there's Bitmap, Fancy, and anytime that you click on one of these, it opens up a subcategory with even more categories. Okay, you click on this one and that'll open up even more. I mean, there is just a ton of them. Very, very nice plugin. Okay, so I'm just going to choose one here. Alright, click on that. Okay, that changed the style. Okay, close this, but I also want to change the size. Okay, so I'm going to redo this, and I'm going to take this slider bar. You can see how it's changing it, right? I use a 20. I like to use a font size of 20. It shows up real good on my phone. Okay, boom, done. Alright, come over here, you save the draft. And that's all there is to it. Now if you want to change your headline to a different font style, just highlight it, come back up here, Fonts for Web, click on it, choose a font, and you can individually change individual words, sentences, headers, whatever you want to do with it. Okay, I'm just going to leave it this way for now. Alright, then when you publish it, let's see here, I'll give you an example of what it looks like here. Preview the post. There you go. The size is nice and big. Okay. Alright. You can also edit the color. Same way. If I want my headline to be a different color, I come up here, I click on the color, opens up box. I like to make it nice and bold black. Right? See? Very, very easy to use. Okay? Hope this helps. Thanks.